From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. Our top stories this week. A new rock drill reduces electricity and water use in mines. We look at how ozone can help gold mines to be more environment friendly. And we explore Denel's part in the Aerospace and Defence 2010 show in September. Water hydraulic drilling systems manufacturer Peterstow Aquapower have developed a drill which reduces water and electricity use, saving mining companies capital and operational costs. Megan Waite has the story.
The closed-loop hydraulic drill, which uses less than 0.01% of energy and 60% less water than that required by some of the existing systems on the market, is manufactured at Peterstow's facility in Ngwenya, Swaziland. The facility is considered to be the biggest investment in the region. Peterstow Director of Operations Alan Barrows explains.
The Peterstow water hydraulic technology has been developed in response to requests from the mining engineers within the Southern African industry. The biggest challenge facing the mining industry throughout the world, particularly within South Africa, are the issues of power and water and the level of consumption that the mines require to sustain their activities. The use of the Peterstow water hydraulic closed loop system allows us to help the mine substantially reduce those consumptions. The Peterstow water hydraulic technology gives the mining industry the ability to substantially reduce environmental impact from their drilling operations. I think it's important to note that the Peterstow water hydraulic system is a closed loop water hydraulic system, which allows us to be very efficient in the amount of water that we use. As in, we use water, we do not consume water for the equipment. A number of people have stated that the factory that we've created here within Southern Africa and especially within Swaziland is not actually possible within this part of the world. I beg to differ. We've done it.
Cyanide remains a prominent chemical in the gold extraction process. However, the process doesn't entirely destroy the chemical, meaning that tailings need to be pumped into sludge dams. Henry LAZENBY explores how ozone can help mines clean up more effectively.
African Oxygen supplies most gold mines with oxygen for the gold ox application that is used to extract gold. The company now advocates using ozone to efficiently neutralize harmful cyanide in tailings dams. AFROX Technical Solutions Engineer Rob de Zoeten explains the process.
Essentially, there are many ways of getting or reducing the cyanide or the toxicity of the cyanide in the residue. There are a number of methods. All are fairly expensive and all have advantages and disadvantages, but the one that we're advocating at this stage is ozone. One of the advantages of using ozone in this process is that essentially oxygen, which ozone is made from, is readily available on most mines. And secondly, when the process is completed, the byproducts from the cyanide destruction are essentially environmentally friendly and harmless products.
Defence and aerospace company Denel will be exhibiting at the Africa Aerospace and Defence 2010 show in September. The show will provide Denel with an opportunity to showcase its capabilities and increase career awareness in aviation.
Denel Saab Aerostructures CEO Ismail explains the purpose of the company's participation in the show.
We're mainly positioning ourselves as a large composites and metallic structures company, and so those are the capabilities that we want to exhibit. And of course, AAD gives us a chance to interact with some of our existing customers, as well as to put ourselves on the map for potential new customers.
Denel Aviation Marketing and Communications Manager COLIN hints at what to expect from the show.
If you attend the AAD and you look at the things that are on the agenda, you would see why I'm saying we are positive going forward.
Denel Technical Academy CEO Dr. KHOZA says that the exhibitions help to mitigate against the lack of career awareness in aviation.
AAD, we are going to be participating full force with together with Armscore. We'll have an exhibition at the youth stall and we'll then exhibit with the rest of the Denel group.
One hangar is dedicated to a youth development program. 2,000 learners that are going to be brought to the AAD. I mean, it's huge for these kids to be in this place and look at these aircraft fly. There's a show, and then also be exposed to industry players from the Boeings and the Airbuses and the Eurocopters, I mean the biggest aircraft manufacturers in the world, to be there. And these young learners are in the same vicinity.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insight into South Africa's real economy.